Good morning, guys. The rooster is crowing and it's a time to wake up early and to cook early. And today's video, my menu is egg roll. And that's the ingredients I will use later. First, the ingredients I will use is egg. I will use 3 eggs right now. And it's easy to cook egg roll for me. And I think. And time check is 5 a.m. in the morning here in the Philippines. That's why the rooster is still crowing and it's time going to school. And I prepare the egg roll for my daughter. And now I add the chopped spring onion or daon ng sibuyas. I like the color combination of green onion and the yellow eggs. And then I will add the pepper and salt to taste the egg roll. Then combine together. Then I'll add a little bit of seasoning granules, or it's up to you when you try to do this. The pan with cooking oil is already heat and time to pour the mixture. Then afterwards you can roll over just like that. Then remove. Then add another thin layer of mixture. Then repeat the process until it's all cooked. Then pour another thin layer of mixture. By the way, guys, when cooking scrambled egg like this egg roll, medium heat is a safe heat setting for cooking because it usually does not overcook the food like higher heat settings. So just like that, just repeat the whole process until finish. When cooking egg roll, you can add some ingredients like carrots and tomatoes, but right now I have only in my kitchen green onions and eggs. And this is the first time I made a rolled egg. I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching and supporting my videos. And to all my dear followers, thank you for your support. It's part of my journey. Please continue to share, liking, and commenting the videos. Your engagement fuel my passion to reach more. Thank you for being amazing supporters. Your involving makes all the difference. And now it's time to slice the egg roll. And thank you so much because you're still watching my videos. Please keep it up. And I made 8 slices of egg roll. And now it's done, ready to eat. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.